So did you know that you actually might be able to secure two VA loans simultaneously? So VA loans are an incredible benefit offered to our nation's veterans, allowing them to purchase a home with minimal down payment. And it's actually got some very flexible credit requirements. So as an Army veteran myself, I am a huge advocate for VA loans. But did you know that you might actually be able to use this benefit more than once? So let's say you're a veteran or an active duty service member right now looking to use your hard-earned benefits to actually purchase multiple homes or refinance existing mortgages. And you probably heard of VA loans, but did you know that it's actually possible to have the two of them at the same time? So this scenario is actually very common than you think. And in this video, we're going to actually explore how it works and what you need to know to make it happen. So one of the biggest misconceptions about VA loans is that you can only use your entitlement one time. While it's true that the Department of Veteran Affairs guarantees a certain amount of each loan, the truth is that you can use your entitlement multiple times as long as you are eligible. Another common myth is that you need to pay off your first VA loan before applying for a second one. This isn't necessarily true either. As well, we'll discuss that later. But many veterans also think that they won't actually qualify for a second VA loan because of income or credit score limitations. While these factors do play a role in the approval process, they're not the only determination factors that are in there. So in fact, the VA has more lenient credit score requirements compared to any other type of mortgage that's out there. Additionally, income limits vary by county, so it's essentially just to kind of check the specific limits in your area on that. So a lot of veterans are also discouraged from applying for a second VA loan because they think it's too complicated or they won't be able to afford the monthly payments, or lenders just tell them like, hey, you can't do it. However, with the right knowledge and guidance, the process can be relatively smooth and the benefits actually can be substantial. In the next section, we'll dive deeper into the mechanics of a VA loan and how to actually navigate the application process for your second loan. When it comes to VA loans, entitlement is a critical concept to actually understand. Essentially, entitlement is the amount of money the VA guarantees for each loan. The good news is that the entitlement amount is reusable, meaning you can use it multiple times as long as you are eligible. So to apply for your second VA loan, you need to meet specific requirements such as having significant entitlement left over from your first loan and meeting the income and credit score requirements. The process of actually applying for the second VA loan is similar to the first, but with a few key differences. You'll need to provide documentation showing your eligibility, including your certificate of eligibility or your COE, and proof of income and credit worthiness. So your lender will also need to verify that you have significant entitlement remaining for that second loan. Additionally, you may need to pay a funding fee, which can be financed into the loan or waived under certain circumstances. While the application process may seem daunting, the benefits of actually using two VA loans can be significant. Not only can you actually purchase multiple homes or refinance existing mortgages, but you can also take advantage of the lower interest rates and lower monthly payments compared to traditional mortgages. So to illustrate this, let's take a look at a success story up here of a veteran who successfully navigated using two VA loans. Meet Mr. John over here, a Navy veteran who used his VA loan to purchase a home in San Diego. A few years later, he decided to purchase a second home in Colorado using a second VA loan. By leveraging his entitlement, John was able to actually secure a lower interest rate and a lower monthly payment on both loans. This has allowed him to allocate more funds towards his family and savings. So John's story is just one example of using two VA loans and what can provide a greater financial flexibility and freedom on there. So in summary, using two VA loans at the same time is possible with the right knowledge and guidance. By understanding the mechanics of a VA loan entitlement and the application process, you can actually unlock the benefits of multiple VA loans. Remember, it's essential to do your research and consult with a reputable lender and carefully weigh the pros and cons before making a decision. So if you have any questions about using two VA loans or want to learn more about the process, be sure to leave your comment below. And if you are looking for more detailed insights into VA loans, check out our other videos on this topic. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.